ये क्या है?
तुम खोलो तो।
पहले तुम छुपा तो दो, मैं टाइमिंग मिला नहीं तो मेरी काम है ना।
ओके।
थैंक यू।
खुश।
देखा ना, टाइमिंग तो मैं ऐसे भी मिला देता हूँ। इतने खूबसूरत सुंदर घने बाल, गुलाबी होंठ।
तुमने क्यों जैमसन को ऊपर सर पे पहना हुआ है?
क्या जिमसम? कहाँ है जिमसम?
पूरा सर पे। ये
बाल गए की? ये आज मिल गई थी तो ऐसे ही पेन के कान गर्म कर रहा था मैं। तुम अच्छा नहीं है मेरी टोपी?
बहुत अच्छी।
ऐसा लग रहा हूँ ना जैसे कि पूरा वो इसके स्केटिंग करने जा रहा हूँ, पूरा वो बर्फ में। हुई।
कहाँ से मिली?
अभी से मैं रूम से।
चोर कहीं का, जब घर में जाता है कुछ ना कुछ चोरी करता है।
पागल। और किसी
मैं ठीक हूँ, आपके साथ?
बट एज ऑलवेज हैंडसम हीरो क्यूट। तुमने
नाइस।
से खाना
क्या?
हो गई?
हाँ।
क्या हुआ खाने में?
मैंने पुलाव खाया।
ओ,
आपने?
मैं मैं तो आज पुलाव, बिरयानी और चिकन तंदूरी, मटन कबाब और पिज्जा, मोमो।
झूठ जो खाया है वो बताओ ना।
अब क्या मतलब यार, ऐसे ही बनते हैं हमारे घर में।
दाल भात नहीं खाई जो पसंद है?
दाल भात यार कौन खाता है यार, हमें तो 2400 व्यंजन होती है।
क्या होती है?
2400 व्यंजन होती है घर में।
तो आज
मटन भी
सच
बनाया होता है, बिरयानी भी बनाया होता है, चिकन कबाब, मटन कबाब और रोटी, नान और गार्लिक नान, मोमो
घर है
चाउमीन।
या रेस्टोरेंट है?
ऐसे होती है, अब क्या करूँ यार, खा खा के यार।
सच बताओ ना क्या खाया?
क्या खाऊंगे यार, वही भात दाल तरकारी।
तो फिर इतने ड्रामे क्यों? नहीं तो ये भी
तो
खाया, वो
मैं
भी।
सोचा कि थोड़ा सा मतलब मैं अपने अंदर की वो फीलिंग्स।
ये आपने इधर चटखनियाँ क्यों लगाई हुई हैं?
क्या चटकनिया?
ये वो जिसपे कपड़े चटखनी नहीं लगाते, कपड़े जिसपे टंगाते हैं।
कहाँ पे चटकनिया?
ये इधर
क्या
सारी चटखनियाँ, ये इधर चटखनियाँ नहीं।
ये
हाँ, ये चटखनियाँ।
थैंक यू सो मच विदाई। ये चटखनिया नहीं, ये स्टाइल है इससे।
आह, ये क्या है?
मतलब कभी कभार मेरी मतलब बॉडी वो बहुत ही पंप हो जाती है ना, तो बहुत बड़ी वो ऐसे हो जाती है ना, तो इसलिए चेन खुली पड़ती है उस वक्त।
ये
अभी तो
किस
नहीं।
तरीके का है?
हाँ।
थैंक यू। मुझे ये लगा कि ये है, रुको मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ।
के लाग्यो रे चटखनिया भने के हो?
आप पता नहीं अब उसको क्या बोलते हो।
चटखनिया रे?
चटखनी। ये
पागल। लुगा सुकाउने त काँटा हो हुन रहेछ।
हाँ, चटखनियाँ लग रही हैं
कौन सी
ये।
अंदर से चटखनिया या ये कांटा लग रही है?
सच में मुझे ये चटखनी लगी, लिटरली सेम मुझे ऐसी लगी है।
पागल कहीं की।
आप लोग क्या
क्या
बोलते हो
लिखता है?
यार आप लोग हर चीज को कांटा क्यों बोलते हो? इसको भी कांटा बोलते हो?
हम्म।
अरे चटखनी बोलते हैं हम इसको, चटखनी। आह, अरे ठीक करो, बाल कैसे हो गए जान?
कैसे हुई? अच्छी तो हुई।
ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट हैपेंड?
ये न्यू डिजाइन है, बाले कट।
ऐसे ही तो थे आप अपने हॉस्टल में, तभी तो कोई लड़की नहीं पटी।
अरे
नहीं करो यार जान, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई और बैठा हुआ है सामने।
क्या कोई यार पागल।
ठीक करो ना, हाँ अभी।
ये इसको यार इसको ठीक बोलते हैं क्या यार। ये मतलब क्या ऐसे ऐसा करूँ तो क्या ठीक हो गए मेरी बाल। बाल तो थोड़ा सा स्टाइलिश होता है ना, ताकि या तो ऊपर हो ऐसे, या तो मतलब ऐसे हो स्टाइलिश, या तो मतलब इस साइड ऐसे करके बैठे। कुछ भी करो यार, कुछ भी नहीं होता यार। मिलाओ तो बहुत अजीब सा लगता है, बिगाड़ो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार। व्हाट इज दिस यार।
जान आप ऐसे करो ना, देखो। आप देखो, आप ऐसे करो ना।
कैसे करूं।
दिखा रही हूँ। वो एक कर्ली बाल वाला बच्चा है ना।
यार टोपी लगाए चाहिँ मेरो यस्तै हुन्छ है कपाले, कस्तो कहाँ कहाँ जान्छ भने उत्तर दक्षिण पूर्व।
आपके बाल थोड़े डिफरेंट है ना, आपके बाल वैसे वाले नहीं है।
देखो इधर अब स्टाइल मेरी,
ये
देखा।
कैसे स्टाइल है?
अरे हंस क्यों रहे हो यार दूसरों की स्टाइल में।
जान ये कैसे स्टाइल है?
अब देखो ना इधर।
वो बच्चा मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा मेरी नहीं। हाँ ये अभी अच्छा है ना, ये वो बच्चे की तरह है सेम।
कौन सा बच्चा है यार।
यार
अभी
यार
तक
एक
तो
वो
हुआ नहीं।
वायरल बेबी है ना, रुको आपने देखा ही नहीं है?
पता नहीं यार कौन सी बच्चा की बात कर रही है।
ये ऐसे करो ना अपने बाल।
जब पागल।
ऐसे ही तो है आपके बाल,
जब
सेम।
लंबी हो जाएगी तो ऐसे टाइप की होती है थोड़ी थोड़ी। तुम्हारी करो ना ऐसे ही।
मैं कर ली।
हाँ ऐसे ही करो तुम्हारी।
बहुत डिफरेंट लगूंगी।
हो ले जैसे होती है।
आपने देखा है ऑलरेडी मुझे। मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर भेजी थी एक बार, याद है?
हाँ मुझे कर्ली अच्छी नहीं लगती यार, ना तो मेरी खुद की अच्छी लगती है।
मेरे बाल कर्ली थे गाइस पहले, सेम आई।
पाले तिम्रो। और बताइए कल लगाएगी या नहीं।
आएगी।
ओ, और तुमने आज
बट
वो वीडियो नहीं बनाई वेबसाइट वाली।
मैंने बनाई नहीं, अभी आज नहीं बनाई क्योंकि मुझे
आई टोल्ड यू ट्वाइस yesterday before I end up my life, but even
अरे
you can
क्योंकि मुझे
listen.
कंफ्यूजन थी।
What is your confusion?
बस मैं
Say
आपको
to me. I will clear it.
लाइफ लाइफ के बाद पूछूंगी आपसे।
You can ask me anytime, anywhere.
क्योंकि एक तो मैं दुबई में हूँ, ठीक है, और फिर मैं वो क्यूआर कैसे यूज करूंगी?
You don't have to use that QR. You just need
देन
to show people how to use this uh, website of AYZ Nepal.
ओके 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 ओके, आई डू इट। टुडे आई विल मेक द वीडियो एंड टुमारो आई पोस्ट इट।
Yes, hurry up.
और कुछ?
What और कुछ?
ओ वो आपकी साली बोल रही थी कि उसको जल्दी भिजवा दीजिए, उसने ऑर्डर किया है।
क्या? What?
वाइट।
Who?
इज़मा।
Oh, Ismail also ordered it.
Yes, Isma ordered it white because you liked white a lot.
Yes, white is very. Chumeshwari.
Yeah, so she's like, I'll start my new year with AYZ.
Oh, nice thought.
Yeah,
Then that year will gonna be her nice year.
yes, yes. Please make it quick.
That's not in my hand.
Oh, please, I request, please.
Okay, I need to talk with Emirates tomorrow.
Okay, okay. That's really nice. Appreciate. I really appreciate your
Don't
effort.
worry. Chill, pill, chill, pill.
What? Sorry?
Chill, pill.
How was your day?
It was quite interesting. Like today morning, sharp 7. I woke up, but I didn't took my foot out of my bed, and I tried taking a bath, but I saw the degree weather. Then I was like, "Oh my God, what is this?" Then I changed my plans. That no, no, no. Today I won't be taking bath. Let's shift this schedule tomorrow, or else Saturday.
So you didn't took shower today as well?
No.
Okay, then.
Then after a few minutes, someone called me, and I pick up the phone in half sleep. So that person was from our Godam. He
Godam?
was
What's Godam? Thank you so much, P. What is Godam?
from our Master Z.
Master Ji.
Yes, so he called me and said that something XYZ pieces are ready to go. So hope you are in office. So I just get ready. I didn't wash my face, anything. Just put on my slippers, clothes, everything, and going to office. And sharp 9, I received my all article, almost 90 something. So after that, I packed up whole day and made the documents, files, and everything clear all out. So after that, today there was 2 second shift also of our articles. So I
But
just
last night you were literally snoring a lot.
yes. Nowadays I am very tired. You know it.
Yes, but literally I woke up 3 times because of your snoring.
I'm so sorry for my snoring.
Like it it sounds like building a someone is constructing. You know, construction is going on. You're
It might
snoring.
yes, yes. It might be because I'm thinking of making another house.
Like it's like it was like this, literally.
That might be that drilling machine.
No, no, no. 3 a.m. Who's gonna do that? It was you only. Your your mouth was wide open.
I never open my mouth.
I saw it through camera.
I only open my mouth when I kiss you.
Such a liar.
So, how was your day? Hope it was as always sleepy, sleepy.
I was busy.
Oh, sleeping.
No, no, no. I went outside for some work and then I came back and then I had food and then I got ready. Yeah.
Very busy schedule.
Yeah, really busy. By the way, I'm on my vacation, so you don't have to worry about it. I don't have to work. I'm on my vacations right now.
Good for you.
I'm working from home. You know it very well.
Okay, okay. Online classes, online business.
Yes, online and yes, online everything.
So today, why you are so glowing so much?
I was thinking of, you know, just making you understand that, your wife is so pretty. So I just got ready.
That's nice. That's nice. Keep on trying.
Do you think I'm trying to impress you?
A bit. Quite.
I don't have to. You're already impressed.
Excuse me.
You're already impressed, okay? I don't have to impress you.
Don't talk rubbish.
Why are you being so rude? What happened all of a sudden? Don't you?
So, anything you want to speak English with me?
Nothing. I'm just
Free to speak up.
up,
You are free to speak up with me.
free to speak up with you.
Yeah. Don't you understand English? I think
I
so.
do understand English, but I'm trying,
What you're trying?
to speak English with you.
Why? It's not so difficult with me speaking
No,
English.
it's kind of difficult, a little bit.
I don't think so.
No, I think.
Oh, I know. Okay, I see. You think too. Okay, nice. That's good.
What do you mean I think too? What do you mean by that? You're making fun of me? So bad.
Sorry, it was just a joke. Joke beside. Okay, and now let's come into topic. So, what is the weather today in Dubai?
It's it's like before.
Okay, nice.
Not hot, not cold. Minimal.
Same like you, like before, always hot.
What do you mean by I'm hot?
Like hot brain, garam khopri, like you say it.
Are you trying to flirt with me?
Why should I flirt with you?
Yes, you shouldn't.
The person someone is trying to impress me, there is nothing left from my side to flirt with her. That's
I'm
nonsense,
not
yeah.
trying to. Oh my god, I'm not trying to impress you. I just got ready because I wanted to. I want you to understand that your wife to be is really beautiful. That's it. That's not making you impressing or something like that.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I can understand you, your feelings.
You are flirting with me by saying that you are hot. You just did.
I said you hot brain, yani ki garam khopri.
Bad temper.
In my way of speaking, I say
I know
hot.
I do not have a garam khopri.
I think, yeah, because how can you have hot brain when you doesn't have a brain? Nice.
I can break your teeth, okay? This window you are opening all of the time, I can break it easily.
And I don't need to. Earthquake कर देंगे. हिला डाला ना.
Don't cross your limit.
अरे.
Don't.
Okay, anything else?
Nothing else.
You are a bit uncomfortable speaking English. You can just speak in Hindi. I will just speak in my like.
No, I'm not uncomfortable. I'm okay speaking English.
So why you are talking like so slowly and your grammars are up and down, messed up?
Up and down? Grammars are up and down?
Yes, all messed up. Like I'm so having difficulty like listening you and understanding.
I think you have difficulty to understand, so I can speak in English. I can speak in Hindi.
That's very
No. I understand. You will not say it because, it's embarrassing. So I'll say it.
That's up to you.
If you are okay, then you can continue speaking English, no problem.
Yeah, I'm speaking English.
Should I call Abdul Wasi?
You can call anyone, Soba Didi, Abdul Wase. Whom you want to call?
No, okay, I'll just talk to you, no problem. I was just asking, do you want to have a talk to them?
Don't you know, like, I have a brand, international brand, UIZ. So I know how to speak English. I deal with peoples from America, Canada, UK, London, anywhere, some foreign countries. I got my meeting tomorrow too. So I was
Wow.
telling you like I have nice friend.
So are you like taking classes or something?
No, I don't need to.
Because before you used to fake out a lot that you don't know English.
Yes, sometimes it happens. I don't like to show off like somebody.
Take breath, you know, it's hard. It's okay, I understand from your face. I
What?
feel like it's very difficult. Take a deep breath.
It's very much cold today. Oh my god.
Oh, you just changed your accent as well?
Yeah, like it's called British English but in Nepali.
What does it call?
I don't think that they're getting.
No, I got it, but what does it called?
It's called British English.
Grudru?
It's called British English.
Okay, whatever it is, but what
What is
kind of
what
accent?
yeah, it's called British English, yeah.
I thought you are just saying something in British accent.
So I'm saying it like it's British English. Should
Oh,
I be slow?
no, like English is all the same. British English, UK English, but we have accents, right? So British accent. British accent.
Okay.
Is it difficult to hear because of your ear?
No, like my ear are like ding, sometimes happen.
What is happening to your ear?
Mm. Mm.
What is that?
Don't know what is happening. Like it's just my ear are like they are just pumping a siren inside my ears. I feel so.
Oh, your ear. Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm not okay. I'm cute.
Is this your ear?
Don't you know the difference between air and the what you say this?
But it's literally. It seems like that it's your ear.
I'm saying it like it's
I
someone.
think your ear is doing because they don't believe that you're speaking English. That's why they are making this sound. They are very confused. That's
Who
why
said?
they're.
Don't temper me in my English thing.
Temper me?
Yes.
From where you stole this hoodie today?
Oh, this was gift from someone. I just got it.
Oh, it means that it's mine.
Huh?
Yes, I kept it there.
Everything what's mine is yours,
Of course.
and yours is not mine.
No.
Why that?
It's a rule. It's a girl's rule.
This is
It's a
nonsense.
woman rule.
Very
Your
much
money
nonsense.
is my money, but my money is my money.
Now, Garmi being now.
Now, Garmi,
Being now.
should we play dare match?
I don't have time.
You still have time. We still have time. We are here chilling.
Who is chilling?
Come on, let's have
I
three
need to make my
battles.
billing.
Let's have it.
Naughty girl.
Are you? Oh, maybe you are scared.
You think that
I-
I'm
Okay, tell me your 3 punishments. I'll tell you my 3 punishments.
first punishment. Never speak English in front of me. आइसिन्थापुरीको सामने. Your English is so You understand?
Okay, दूसरा.
And second, not dusra.
You
Second.
just said that don't speak English in front of me.
Then why you are speaking?
Okay. Second.
Okay, second. You don't speak in front of me. Just
It's-
quiet. Dubbing.
Okay.
That's
3.
third.
What?
Eh, sorry. I was just dreaming.
What you were dreaming about?
Oh, what do you say in your way? That खो गया था आपकी ख्याल में. That it happens sometimes.
Give me the third option. Third dare.
I think you are having difficulty like speaking English, or else you are not understanding.
As you like. Whatever
I can just speak in Hindi. I know Hindi, English, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Nepali, Malaysian, Thailand, everything.
Okay, say it.
Okay, so आपको क्या दूंगा मैं थर्ड देयर? अरे
क्या हाँ, क्या दोगे?
थर्ड देयर क्या दूं यार? थर्ड देयर तुम्हारी ये है कि तुम मतलब जिम को लेके आओगी लाइफ में, और उसके वो जो कान है ना उसमें मतलब टंग कर दोगे एक, मतलब जोर से. इश.
तुम ये करते थे ना उसके साथ, है ना? तभी वो तुम पे करता था.
करो ना करो, क्या डेयर है ये?
फर्स्ट क्या था तुम्हारा? फर्स्ट वाले अच्छे से दो ना.
फर्स्ट जेम की पिक्चर में पकड़ के ऐसे उठाना.
नहीं, सारे जैम से रिलेटेड मत दो.
अरे ओके, तो फर्स्ट चलो फर्स्ट जेम की मतलब कान में एक ऐसे कर देना.
ओके.
सेकंड, कभी मेरे सामने इंग्लिश नहीं बोलोगी तुम.
ओके. थर्ड.
और थर्ड, मुझसे इंग्लिश क्लास लेने आओगी 1 घंटे.
अभी तुमने बोला कि इंग्लिश नहीं, और फिर मुझे बोलती हो कि इंग्लिश
हाँ, तो
सीखो.
तुम्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आती ना, इसलिए तो मैं सिखाना चाहता हूँ तुम्हें.
अच्छे से दो ना डियर.
चलो थर्ड तुम्हारी ये देता हूँ कि जेम का लिपस्टिक पहना दोगी तुम.
जैम का एक हो गया ना. क्यों जैम को बार बार लेकर आ रहे हो बीच में?
तो एक तो मारना है और एक लिपस्टिक पहनाना है ना, तो इसमें क्या होगी?
नहीं, ये ऐसी बात नहीं होती.
क्या दिन थे यार? थर्ड, फर्स्ट क्या होगी तुम्हारी? जेम की
First-
कान में वो मुक्का मारना, और सेकंड हो गई इंग्लिश कभी नहीं बोलना मेरे सामने.
हाँ,
और
ठीक है.
थर्ड हो गई तुम्हारी कि तुम आज मतलब जाते जाते एक मतलब अच्छा अच्छे से मुझे विशेष और एक अच्छे से एक प्रपोज टाइप का, एक अच्छे से उसकी एंडिंग में एक चुप्पा देके जाओगी।
ओके, मेरा
जितने तो हम ही वाले हैं।
मेरा ये है कि आप
अरे मत यार मोटू यार, तुम्हारा देखे कौन सा क्या है यार, तू हो नहीं तो ये नहीं यार, क्योंकि मतलब हारने तो वाली तुम ही हो।
मेरा ये कि आप एक दिन ब्लॉग करोगे, अपनी पूरी वो बताओगे हमको, ठीक है?
ओके नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट।
दूसरा ये कि आपने कल ऑफिस टेबल वाली जो आपकी जगह है ना